All right, what are the benefits of having a custom domain, all right, to invite people to click to watch a Save Club video, all right, produced by Charles. I like to call him Charlie, our founder. I don't know if he's the CEO, but he created this nice thing called Save Club. But yeah, is there a benefit of having a custom domain that sticks out a little bit versus just the normal link that you get, obviously, when you join as an affiliate? So let me just show you, and you're visually you can make up your mind. I'm a massive, massive fan of custom domains, and guys, I've been doing this a long time, the custom domain thing. Not just Save Club or Live Good and my other multiple incomes online, but I've been doing the custom domain thing forever. And I use GoDaddy, and I find it highly effective. Okay? So anyway, here's an example. ilovesaveclub.com. Okay? When I first looked into this opportunity, about a week ago, okay, I looked into it. It's really similar to another company called Live Good. And I thought, okay, I like it. So far, I like the design because the website's almost identical. I like the structure, the pay plan. I love the opportunity for $19.97 a month to save money on things I'm already buying because, obviously I went and looked at some of the opportunities to save and I went, well, God, I save way more than $20 a month. As a matter of fact, my first month, I saved well over $500, $600, $700, which pays for my whole $19.97 for the year. So I said, man, I really like this Save Club. And then one day I said, God, I love it. I'm like, who do you love? You love your dad, you love your mom, you love I don't know, your pets. But at one time I just said, God, I really love this Save Club thing. So I just went to GoDaddy, and I've got 91 websites with these guys right now. I love them. So I went ahead and bought ilovesaveclub.com. I put the small I, kind of like iPhone. It's kind of hip to have the small I. And then Love Save Club, I put LSC, and I just capitalized them so that from far away, even 3 feet away, if I put this business card like on a desk, you can see the I Love Save Club. And that's my goal. I want you to kind of go, yeah, okay, I get it. Even if I just told you, hey, go to ilovesaveclub.com when you get home. Okay, now here's the video link, here's the link to the video that you're going to get when you're an affiliate. Everybody has the same saveclubtour.com / is whatever your username is. Well, my name's Cory Draper, so I just use Cory Draper. If your name is Bob Thomas or Rumpelstiltskin or Harry Scroat, I don't know. Whatever your name is, you can put whatever you want. You can even put a business like Dynamic Nutrition or Save Club Today or something. But it's just too hard to go, hey guys, go to http://saveclub.tour.com / Cory Draper. Okay? I think it's a lot easier for me to just go, hey, I love saveclub.com. Number one, I went to GoDaddy. I bought this domain. If it's not taken, it's $11.95. And for free, they go ahead and link it to that link right there you're looking at. For free. They just forward it. It means that when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, you click it, it goes right to the page you're looking at right now. And this is where the money starts. This is where the opportunity starts. This is where maybe some freedom in your life starts. Okay? People watch this YouTube video. It's hosted by Charles. He's our founder. And if you want more information, people will put their info here and click this orange button. Okay? You're going to get an email a day from Save Club, just telling you more information. And if you want to opt out, at the bottom it says unsubscribe. And if you want to join, obviously when you get the email, inside there it'll say join. Get a username, password, configure your bank account or cryptocurrency, and then you're going to get a link just like I did here. And you're just going to start inviting people to go to it. That's it. Don't overanalyze this. The less you say, the better. I do like my videos like this because if I record them, put them on YouTube, they will be here for years and years and years until an asteroid comes and hits Earth and power as we know it's gone. Okay, maybe dinosaurs will come back, but I don't know. I just know that if I have electricity and if YouTube is around, I know that this video that I'm making right now will probably recruit more people down the road. So I don't mind doing 5 to 10 minute videos like this. But on a street level, I don't talk about business. People keep wanting to, and I don't want to until I know that you've watched this video and that you've put some information in. It just shows me you're serious, that's all. Even if you don't want to join, at least you're getting information, and then it's worth my time to go ahead and follow up either with Cory at corydraper.com. I'm real easy to get a hold of on Facebook. I'm all over there. Or maybe just below this video on my YouTube channel. I have people write me every day. I just had a guy give me some nice words about my video yesterday, so I just hurried and wrote him back and said, thanks, have a nice weekend. Okay? But is it better to have just a good old-fashioned link from the company? Well, it's good to get, but in my opinion, in my experience over 20, 30 years of doing custom little fun domains, okay, boom. I mean, I own pleasewatchvideo.com. I even write isuckatmarketing.com. All right, I bought joincory, work with Cory. All right, joincory Draper. I bought all these .coms. Okay, and I even bought 3 or 4 fun ones that have to do with saveclub.com. But right now I'm having success just with this link. So I'm just going to keep it. I think there's a real big benefit if you spend, $11.97 at GoDaddy and just have it forward to your capture page. Okay, boom. All right, and if you want to know where to get your capture page, just remember, go to my websites after you join, pay your $60, do the $19.97, go to my website, second video down, that link right there. That's your money, baby. Give everyone that link. You'll figure it out. Even if you don't know what you're doing, you just joined 10 minutes ago, give that link to everybody. All right, it'll just simply go to this page. They'll watch the video. They'll put their information in. And that way in the next couple days or maybe the next week, you'll start figuring things out. Okay, guys? So anyway, that's it. This is what the back office looks like. The home, my membership, my info, order history. Real easy. We're going to have tons of training from the company, from me. You can go to YouTube or Google and you'll see a bunch of people promoting Save Club. I hope you join me. So far, I've had some good success. You can see every day. It's early this morning. Okay, it's Friday, May number 2. But anyway, you can see every day I get people pre-enrolling, or they go to my capture page. They go to ilovesaveclub.com. They'll put their information in. And if you want to upgrade and actually rock and roll with me, look, I already had, I think, 40 some odd people decide. So right now I'm averaging about 4, 5, 6 people a day. Okay, and I appreciate you. If you've joined, awesome. Everyone that joins me, I get $20 to $32 a piece, and then it starts escalating. Okay, and I'll leave you with this because this video is about more custom domain versus just the link. But if you want to know about the pay plan, every day everyone's asking me, well, what's the pay plan? Why is this better than another Save Club? I'm like, guys, just please go here. If you log in, go to the bottom of your page, it says pay plan. Or if you're not even joined, just go to saveclub.com/pay plan. And just watch this. Boom. I'm scrolling 5 different ways. And soon there's going to be a nice video, YouTube video from the company explaining. But just go through it. You can see the money really starts escalating, guys. All right, especially when you start getting a downline and you get 2.5%, which is 25 cents of people that are coming aboard for $60 plus $19.97. And when you start getting big groups of people, 1, 2, 3, this company pays 2 wide by 16. But look at that. If you start signing up enough people, getting in down to the 16th level, filling out your matrix, God, look at the money that's going to come in. This is reoccurring every 30 days. This 4, 8, 16, 32, 65. Guys, this money here, potential, this is every month. Okay? Not every year. All right? Like 1 plus 1 is 2 pennies. Then times that 2 pennies by 2 pennies. And you know that at the end of 30 days, the compounding is just awesome. This is kind of how just this matrix commission starts paying. It's exciting. Don't try to figure it out. Don't trip yourself over it too much. But just realize that if you just take your time and sign up people one at a time, and when you get paid every Friday, you'll start figuring this out. And when they get a really nice video explaining the comp plan, I'll let you guys know. But let's just keep this video focused on, do you want to get a nice little custom domain? I recommend GoDaddy just because they're live humans, 24 hours a day. Holidays, it don't matter. They never shut down. And if you don't know what you're doing, please just call them. They have tons of numbers. Just look up GoDaddy telephone number. They're all free. What are they? 800-888 numbers. Okay. Just call them and say, I'm looking for a domain. How about I totally groove to saveclub.com. And if it's open, it'll be right around $11.97. And then once you get it, just say, hey guys, I don't really know how to forward yet. But right now I've got this link. is there any way after I pay ilovesaveclub.com, for my example, will you guys forward it to Save Club Tour /Cory Draper? And they'll go, yeah, no problem. Give me about 5-10 minutes. Just keep hitting refresh. And I think you're going to like what you're going to see. Okay, and that's my experience. Every time I buy a new domain and have it forwarded, I don't think it's taken more than 15 minutes ever in 25, 30 years. So that if you do click ilovesaveclub.com, all right, boom, it just automatically bounces to this page. And that's where I want you to watch the video here, put your information right here underneath me. And that's, guys, all I do. I don't want to complicate Save Club anymore, because you'll figure out the deals that you want to save on. You'll figure out a nice way to either email someone or they email you, or you get a hold of someone on I don't know, maybe you're on a chat line looking for people that like meatloaf flavored pumpkin pie. And you start talking about saving money on whipped cream because you want to put whipped cream on your meatloaf flavored pumpkin pie. You know what I mean? You can always bring this up. There's millions of businesses worldwide, especially by June 1st when we kick this off. Okay, that's our ready, set, go. We're in pre-launch right now. Today's only May 2nd. I got 28 more days to screw off and have fun and get a whole bunch of people signed up before the company says, okay, we're officially going to launch June 1st at midnight. We're going to have a few million opportunities for people to save money on things they're already buying. And boy, if you're watching me now, live or this recording, you need to really join now, guys. Okay, if you want the yumminess of what affiliate marketing with a pay plan, which we offer, okay, it really, really, really pays to join within the first week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. I'm barely on day number 8, okay, and 40 some odd people have already agreed to join. I have no idea. I'll have a few hundred probably by June 1st, okay? You need to join now. It's only $60. It's $19.97 on top of that. So for $79.97, that's it, okay? All right, guys, thanks for your time. Looks like 12 minutes. Boy, it just hauls ass. I hope you get a custom domain from GoDaddy. Get some Vistaprint business cards. Make this business simple. You're going to invite someone to click something to watch something. Invite someone to click something to watch something. I'm probably going to make a shirt that says that, and I'm going to be annoying. Okay? Because if you can do that, I think you can be successful. That's just my opinion. Disclaimer, disclaimer. Okay, guys, have a good one. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And get a hold of me if I can help you. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Have a good one, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.